What's wrong?
What a fucking retard.
What happened?
What a tard.
What are you doing?
How embarrassing.
You gotta be inside.
How are you push? Get him pussy.
Getting ready for that competition, David. I sure am glad I brought this video camera. You're gonna fuck around and run over Sergeant Days. Oh yeah, this is good.
That's good footage right there.
Yeah, she's flinging shit all over him. That's awesome.
Hey, get this one. Come on. It's your fault. What the fuck? It's your fault. Who did this?
Ready, go.
Oh, no. Back it up.
All right, I gotta turn this off.